sauteed sliced onions in a mixture of melted butter with extra virgin olive oil. When your onions look like this, lower the heat to medium-high and add the garlic. I added about 2 tablespoons of fresh ground garlic with ginger right here, and now I'm going to stir that well into the onion. Now I'm going to add 3 packages of spinach that was frozen and I thawed it out. I stirred the spinach into the sauteed onions and garlic, and now I'm going to add some kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper too. When you add the salt and pepper, make sure you give it a good stir. You want to get all those flavors together. And I'm going to keep cooking this for maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. And also I'm going to be stirring it pretty regularly to avoid sticking to the bottom of the pot. The spinach has been cooking for about 3 minutes now, and I put my heat on low, and I have one last addition to this dish. I have a lovely tamarind sauce here, so I'm going to add some of this to my spinach. I'm just going to drizzle it all over. Probably going to add like 2 or 3 tablespoons and stir it up. As you've mixed in the tamarind chutney, then you want to turn the heat off, and I'm going to remove this from the heat and put it in. I drizzle some extra tamarind chutney all over the spinach. It is a really, really lovely flavor. It blends together perfectly.